Did you know? One Trump move backfired, making Russian oil cheaper for India and turning Putin into a winner. Here's what happened. During Trump's presidency, the U.S. imposed tough sanctions on Iran and Venezuela. That left a gap in the global oil market, and Russia stepped in. Moscow began selling crude at a discount, and India quickly became one of its biggest buyers. The result? America's strategy turned into a 50% misfire. Trump's plan hurt some rivals but gave India cheap oil and handed Putin a big win. So this is how one political gamble reshaped the global oil game. Who do you think played it smarter, Trump or Putin? Tell us in the comments.